PhD, my brother, how's it?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself, my leader?
Good man, good
Yeah.
man, good man. CS Galaxy is hosted by one of the biggest teams in Africa, Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates versus CS
Yeah.
Galaxy, Betway Premiership. What's your take on the game?
No, one of the reasons why I got late today at the stadium
Yeah.
is precisely because I was opening a case against Orlando Pirates. The way they've been winning, they are likely to kill me with joy. And not only myself and millions of Orlando Pirates fans, we are under attack by our own team. Our own team is attacking us. They want to kill us by joy. So I think they must reduce it. There's nothing wrong winning 2-0, winning 1-0. Why do they have to win 4?
4-7, 3-0.
No,
It's
come on,
too
this
much.
is Champions League. You cannot be winning 7 aggregation, CAF Champions League.
Yeah.
That's a disrespect.
Yeah.
I mean, African teams, who's going to play against us now?
No one.
Because it would then mean that we have to play against the likes we have to play against the likes of Real Madrid, together with the likes of Barcelona, Granada, and the likes of Manchester United, Manchester City. So I think it is quite, we cannot afford to have this team, bringing the level of wrath, at least CAF Champions League, limo PSL. I mean, but Bloemfontein, but again.
Orlando,
So we don't understand. I'd like to make a plea to the Iron Duke, Dr. Ivan Khoza, just to talk to the boys to reduce to pay by Thailand. They are beating too much, these boys. I don't think it's allowed, and we are likely to get banned from the PSL because I don't think PSL will be happy with such trapping, because we are black-saming these people. Remember, we made those Marabastad FC to cry, and again we are continuing over and over to trap the rest of the team, because Orlando Pirates never lost a game. The only team that we lost against was ourselves, because we were supposed to bring an obvious first 11. I mean, to gradually integrate into playing, our new forms, your likes of Namtajela, your Moremi, your Osinapolis and the likes. But anyway, you cannot blame the coach for being confused and by being so jubilant about the squad of the players that we have. I mean, if you've got around 14 quality players that are new, who else would you want to play? I mean, it's so confusing. Even now, as fans, we don't know who to play, because when you see Osinapolis, I mean, our boy Kokomelo and Lebuhile Mufukeng, he was just seated, relaxing at the Blometi go high. Mara still trap about with a contender of player of the season. So I think Orlando Pirates is in a class of its own. If it was up to me, PSL, I'll just say them, or Bloman Kontlung, don't play football, it's not good for children. Because we've got children watching football here. Children cannot be subjected to such wrath, such pain. No, it cannot be. It cannot be. We need to lower and reduce the standard and be more competitive, if one may say.
No, thank you so much.
But anyway,
Tonight,
Orlando Pirates for winning in advance, because there's no way we're going to trap Team Sukazi until
Shawas go.
Yes, we're going to trap all of them.
Score prediction.
Score prediction.
Formality.
No, let's not beat them with the high margins. 5-0 will be fine.
Yo, that's too much,
It's not so bad.
Give me just 3 players who's gonna score, maybe at least those 3 goals.
Courtesy of Mabasa, Brace, Osinapolis, Ambulance, and Moremi.
Spelebe.
He must just take a breather. This is his club. He must not beat them. He has beaten them before. I mean, as their own player. So now I think it's still fresh for him to beat them. I think they should take a break.
Perfect.
And just relax.
All the best, my brother.
All the best.
We will always cook.